features of the MAIT Industries INTELLiTROL software is that we can read and write using MODBUS RTU. So in the case of irrigation automation, we can monitor information from variable speed drives using MODBUS, but we've also got the ability to write different pressure set points to the drives for each irrigation shift. So in the example I've got here, imagine that the A blocks are approximately 15 meters higher than the C blocks in this example. And what I'm going to do is just quickly show you how easy it is to apply a different pressure set point for each irrigation shift, so that really you save money by not running your drive at your worst case pressure set point the whole time that you're irrigating. So I'll just move to the scheduling calendar, and all we need to do is grab a valve. So we'll start with A1. I'll just drop it on the calendar here. A1's already selected. We'll run A3 at the same time. We're going to run them for 2 hours. The pump's automatically selected. It's set up with a 600 kPa default run set point and a 400 kPa idle set point. These blocks we know have to run at 600 kPa. I've set them up so that the mainline grouping reminds me of that, and I'll just go OK. Now valve B, B blocks can run at 450 kPa on this system, so we'll just grab valve B1 and drop it there. A couple of hours run time. We're going to run B3 with it as well. Now, to change the set point, we know these can run at 450 kPa, so we don't need to run the drive at 600 kPa. So I'll right click here, adjust the pump set points, and I'll change that to 450. OK. OK. And C blocks, we know we can run at 400 kPa. So same thing, put in a run time, adjust the set point. This time we can run at 400. OK. OK. So now it's a case of link to prior shift. Link to prior shift. I can now copy this over to the schedule list, to our schedule. Select a color for it. OK. OK. It's now saved over here. Now what I can do is if I just go in and edit these in the comments section here, just to remind me when it's running that it's at 600 kPa, I'm going to put 600 kPa in here. OK. I'm going to do the same here. These ones are running at 450 kPa. You can put anything in this comments section, and depending on where you put it in, you can put it in on the calendar on the shift if you just want it, the comment applied to that one individual shift, or I'm saving it here in the save schedule. This one's the 400 kPa. OK. OK. So now when I want to run this schedule, I just drag it and drop it on the calendar. I might want it to start at 1 AM. What we've got here, these little check boxes. So captions is where I am at the moment. But if I just click on comments, you can see it brings up those comments from the comments window, the comments cell. So if I just go back to captions, there's the valves, and comments, there's the pressures that I've saved in that comments box. And it's as easy as that. So we've got an irrigation schedule here that's going to run for 6 hours in total, 3 2-hour shifts, and at the change of shift, it's going to change the set point on the drive.